Welcome to our woodworking series. I'm Emmanuel, and I'm excited to share my passion for crafting beautiful and functional pieces with you. There's nothing quite like the feeling of taking raw materials and transforming them into something truly special with your own two hands. Today we're diving into the heart of the kitchen, the cabinets. These workhorses not only define the look and feel of your kitchen, but they also need to stand up to years of use. That's why we're going to explore the top 3 methods for building a kitchen cabinet, each with its own unique advantages. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, I'm confident you'll find a method here that suits your skill level and project goals. So let's grab our tools and get started. Let's start with the method that's been used for centuries, building cabinets by hand. Now, don't let the word traditional fool you. This method is as relevant today as it ever was, especially if you value precision and craftsmanship. The beauty of hand tools is that they connect you directly to the wood. You can feel the grain, respond to its nuances, and create joints that fit together like pieces of a puzzle. We'll begin with selecting the lumber. For kitchen cabinets, hardwoods like oak, maple, or cherry are excellent choices due to their durability and natural beauty. When selecting your boards, take your time to inspect them carefully. Look for straight grain, minimal knots, and consistent color. Remember, the quality of your lumber will directly impact the final result. Once you have your lumber, we'll move on to milling it to the precise dimensions required for our cabinet parts. This is where hand planes and saws really shine. With a bit of practice, you can achieve a level of accuracy that rivals any machine. Now let's talk joinery. Traditional cabinet making often employs joinery methods like dovetails, mortise and tenons, and dados. These time-tested joints offer incredible strength and stability, ensuring your cabinets will last for generations. Don't be intimidated by these joints. We'll break down each one step by step, making it easy to master. As we assemble the cabinet, we'll use clamps to hold the joints tight while the glue dries. This is where patience is key. Allow ample drying time to ensure a strong and lasting bond. Finally, we'll move on to the finishing touches, sanding, staining, and applying a protective top coat. This is where your craftsmanship truly shines through. With careful sanding, you'll bring out the natural beauty of the wood grain. Choosing the right stain will enhance the color and highlight the character of the wood, and a durable top coat will protect your cabinets from moisture and daily wear and tear. Building a cabinet by hand is a rewarding experience. It's about taking your time, understanding the materials, and creating something truly special with your own two hands. Now let's shift gears and explore the world of power tools. This method is all about efficiency and speed, allowing you to build a cabinet in a fraction of the time it would take using hand tools alone. We'll start with a table saw, an indispensable tool for breaking down large sheets of plywood into manageable cabinet parts. The table saw's precision fence and powerful motor ensure accurate and consistent cuts. Next, we'll move on to the compound miter saw, perfect for making those crucial angled cuts for face frames and trim. This saw is a true time saver, allowing you to make multiple cuts at the same angle with ease. For joinery, a pocket hole jig is an invaluable tool. Pocket hole joinery is incredibly strong and fast, making it ideal for assembling cabinet carcasses. Don't forget about the random orbital sander. This powerful tool makes quick work of sanding down rough edges and preparing surfaces for finishing. Now let's talk about one of my favorite power tools, the router. With different router bits, you can create decorative edges, dados for shelves, and even raised panel doors, adding a touch of sophistication to your cabinets. Of course, no cabinet shop is complete without a cordless drill. From driving screws to drilling pilot holes, this versatile tool is essential for countless tasks throughout the cabinet building process. When it comes to finishing, a power nailer is a game changer. It allows you to attach trim, molding, and even cabinet backs quickly and securely. Remember, safety is paramount when working with power tools. Always wear appropriate safety glasses, hearing protection, and dust masks. And before operating any power tool, be sure to read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Now for those who appreciate the precision of hand tools and the efficiency of power tools, there's the hybrid method. This approach combines the best of both worlds, allowing you to tailor your process to your specific project needs and preferences. For example, you might choose to mill your lumber and cut your joinery using hand tools, then turn to power tools for tasks like cutting plywood panels, sanding large surfaces, and installing hardware. Or you might use a table saw to break down your lumber, then switch to hand planes for fine-tuning the fit of your joints. The key is to find the balance that works best for you. One of the great advantages of the hybrid method is its flexibility. You can choose the tools and techniques that you're most comfortable with for each stage of the project. This approach also allows you to achieve a high level of craftsmanship while still completing your project in a reasonable time frame. Remember, woodworking is a journey, not a race. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and techniques to find what works best for you. As you gain experience, you'll develop your own unique style and approach to cabinet making. Well folks, there you have it. 3 distinct methods for building a kitchen cabinet like a pro. Whether you embrace the traditional path, harness the power of modern tools, or find your sweet spot with a hybrid approach, remember that the most important ingredient is your passion for woodworking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tutorials. And remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful with your own 2 hands. Happy building!